Asgard's Wrath 2 is finally here, and yes, you said it correctly, that is a 10 out of 10 from IGN. However, there's an issue. Meta are so bad at communicating exactly how you play this game, because there's quite a few major differences about how to best experience it compared to its predecessor Asgard's Wrath 1. Now both games are Quest exclusive, yes, however the sequel isn't a PC VR game unlike its predecessor. Instead, everything is being done directly on the headset. That way, the Quest 3 with its brand new Snapdragon SoC has a huge advantage, though the game is still technically compatible with the Quest 2. That makes the whole game so much more accessible, seeing how you don't need a PC to run it from, and despite that, the game still manages to kinda keep up graphically, which is pretty amazing and a testimony to the amazing prowess of the CPU and GPU inside this very headset, even if some things, especially lighting, do see a pretty major downgrade. Though thankfully something that isn't carried over from the PC nature of the original game is the file size, because wow, was Asgard's Wrath 1 ever big. The sequel is a lot more modest at around 31 gigabytes, which granted can still be a lot for VR, especially when you consider that the original Quest 2 had a mere 64 gigabytes of onboard storage. And that's about all there is to it. Now again, if you do want to play the game on your Quest 2, that is very much doable, though do keep in mind that the performance will not be great, seeing how it all relies on the SoC inside the headset itself, and the Quest 2 is definitely leagues behind the Quest 3 in that department. But hey, if you play this game yourself yet, let me know what you think down in the comments below. And whilst they're here, maybe also check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Ronyak, Bartosz Welka, Nola Sunonym, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft Lansby, and Level Up. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.